So iOS 14 is finally here. It is one of the biggest redesigns since iOS 7. So from a new call UI to widgets to a built-in translator app, it has it all, but with a few caveats. So in this video, we are going to find out if you should update to iOS 14 or not. So right off the bat, iOS 14 supports every single iPhone that had iOS 13, which is a big deal for older iPhones like the 6S and 7. But iOS 13 was not kind to them, and neither is iOS 14. So initially they are very smooth and the experience is brilliant, but there are some other areas where they have some drawbacks, especially the battery life. And if you have the 16 gig model, it is a big update, so that's not going to help in any way. Now talking about the update itself, it's just amazing. We have these new widgets that can be stacked and they show you tons of information, but they're just limited to that. So they will only show you information, and when you click on them, it just takes you to the app. So they're not that usable, and I hope that is an issue third-party widgets can fix in the future, which I will get to in a minute. Now, one area iOS 14 really shines is in the privacy features. Okay, so get this. Whenever an application uses a camera or your mic, you will get a dot in the status bar. And when you go to Control Center, you'll get the detail on which app used what. So it's just amazing. And it's not just limited to other applications like Facebook, Snapchat, or Instagram. Even the own camera and Siri app, whenever you use that, you will also get this little dot at the top. You also get a new call UI and a new Siri UI, which doesn't look all that good in my opinion. I mean, Siri used to be better when it was full screen. It just looks obnoxious now. But the call UI, it's just amazing. You can just swipe it away whenever you don't want to attend a call. So it's amazing, and I'm glad they finally added that. Now there is also a new app drawer which sorts all your applications automatically, which is a good thing because it cleans up the home screen for all those widgets, but it just sorts them automatically. So that's my biggest problem. It makes them in folders and it is very hard to navigate. You know, there's this one big icon and smaller icons, and you never know in which icon your app will be. So you always have to use the search bar, which I'm not the biggest fan of, but this feature has tons of potential and it's definitely a move in the right direction. Now even the Messages app got a similar treatment. So now you have tons of sections. You have your promotions, you have transactions, you have your junk. They finally allowed mentions in group chats. So there are a ton of features, and if you want to know more, I will link my top 10 feature video down below. But now let's talk about something I am worried about, and that is app updates. So this whole update seemed a little rushed to me. Apple usually takes a week to release official versions after the event, but they just casually said iOS 14 is coming the very next day, limiting the window for developers to get their applications registered. Now we have had iOS 14 for months now, but it was in development stage all along. So even if you update right now, expect some applications to not work, or at least some features to be missing here and there. But this is something that can be fixed in the coming weeks, so it's not that big of an issue. You just have to sit tight. And yeah, even third-party widgets will take some time to get here. There are some cool ones. There is Widget Wizard, but it is in test flight, so you have to wait for some good widgets, for good third-party widgets to roll out, and it's gonna be a while. So should you update to iOS 14 or not? Now the simple answer is yes. Even if you have the older iPhones, just go ahead with this. This is an amazing update, and Apple has knocked it out of the park with this one. It's been a while since we have received such an amazing iOS update. Now, of course, there are some caveats and some concerns about app updates, third-party widgets, but all of that will be fixed in the coming weeks. So just sit tight and wait for it to get fixed. Now, again, if you're concerned about the battery life, then I recommend watching my video on how to improve it, which again, I have linked down below. But yeah, go ahead and install it. It's an amazing update. You won't regret it. There are widgets, we have an app drawer, a new call UI, better privacy feature, and a ton of features. Again, if you want to know more about them, I have linked my top 10 feature and my hidden feature video down below, along with the how to improve your battery life video. So yeah, that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, give it a big thumbs up and comment down your favorite feature in the comments. Until then, please like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.